Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I just did my makeup for the day and I love this eyeshadow palette by COVERGIRL. They are my go-to for eyeshadows because they just provide such a perfect little palette and I love their neutral ones. This one in particular is the TruNaked Zenning Out. So they're all fairly neutral colors, but it's just like everything that I could need, whatever the occasion, whatever style, whatever look that I'm going for, whether I'm going for that no makeup look, or if I want to do more of a smoky eye, I have everything that I need right here in this super compact palette. Of course, I love that it comes with a brush, so that makes it super easy for when I'm on the go. I might use another makeup brush when I'm home, but I love that it has this. But just their range in the colors, that lighter color I love as a base. It's got a kind of neutral gray, and then it's got a super fun sparkly gold that I love to put just on the lower half of my lids, and then that dark smoky color that I love to put on the corners to make that super fun, more dramatic eye. So I swear by this COVERGIRL eyeshadow. It lasts me all day. I use a primer underneath and then I use this and I am seriously good to go for a super long day. It looks great, it's so versatile, and I know that every time I grab one of these palettes, it's gonna be exactly what I need. So if you're looking for a fantastic eyeshadow that's gonna take you through all different looks and last all day, I highly recommend checking this out by COVERGIRL, but that's just my point of view.